Hi, hello, welcome to Mercy's Diary. My name is Mercy. If you're new here, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for clicking. I really hope that you become part of the community that I'm trying to build by subscribing. Please watch my previous video, like, subscribe again, comment, share. You know how that good stuff. Please do them. And to my returning audience, my returning viewers, my returning subscribers, you all are the real MVPs. I'm sure you know. I just feel like with you all, I don't have to do too much. Thank you for always viewing, for subscribing. Thank you all so much. I don't take your love for granted, and trust me, I love you all. I'm sure the thumbnail has given you an insight on what today's video is about. On today's episode, I'll be sharing with you, or rather, tips for first year students. I'm in my third year. I'm on the third floor, and 300 levels just giving me big sister vibe. Like, I feel like I've gained some experience. So I know that I've gained experience, and I can sit here and have conversations with you, or I can sit here and advise you. So guys, grab a pen, grab a notepad. Let's get right into the video. I'll see you on the other side. I'll see you on this side or that side. I'll see you. Oh, hi. Hello. I'm back. 1. Do not lose yourself. If you watched episode 1 of Mercy's Diary, where I said, oh, college is a big place, uni is a big place with different people from different backgrounds, I was just talking, saying all that good stuff. As a first year student, please do not lose yourself. Do not forget why you're in school. Do not forget the people that are rooting for you. Don't forget the people that you left behind at home. Do not lose yourself. As cliche as what I'm about to say might sound, when I was in my first year and I found myself facing some challenges or having to pick between two things, all I remember telling myself or saying to myself was, Mercy, you have to remember the daughter of whom you are. This has been and is still my coping mechanism. Yours could be music, perhaps a photo of your loved ones, your vision board, something that just motivates you and reminds you why you're in school, something that just keeps you going. Honestly, this will prevent you from losing yourself. And note, we learn every day. 2, be open-minded. I put it to you. Yeah, you watching this video, you're going to meet different people in college. You're going to meet the good, the bad. For those that were staying in the hostel, I'm sorry, but you're going to meet the idiot. You have to be open-minded. Be open to learning new things, meeting new people, listening to opinions that are different from yours. Be open. But I want you to know, the fact that you are open to these opinions that are different from yours doesn't mean you are the opinion or the opinion is you. I'm saying you can be open-minded, but be open-minded with sense. 3, you need a friend. I cannot overemphasize on this tip. I remember when I got into uni, I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos. I've been a YouTube girl since way back, and I used to help other people's ministry by subscribing. So please help my ministry by subscribing. So yeah, I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos, and I think, honestly, I want to be honest, I've heard 2 out of 10 or 5 out of 10 people say, oh, you necessarily do not need a friend in college. You can enjoy your company, learn new things about yourself. But guys, I put it to you that you need a friend, but you necessarily do not need a best friend. Remember, we agreed, we said to each other in tip 2, that we're going to be open-minded, we're going to be open-minded rather, like we're going to be open to meeting new people. Can we give this friendship thing a try before we start talking and we start yapping and say we don't need a friend? Don't you guys think it would be nice for you to have someone you can run to, someone you can go on walks with, someone you can come and check on you in your hostel, and perhaps days where you need to go to the sick bay, will take you to the sick bay and like, girl, shut up, you have to take that drug, shut up, you have to eat that food. Don't you think it would be a nice thing? So you see, in this friendship thing, I'm going to help you. I'm going to help you. When you meet someone, a potential friend or anyone in school, try as much as possible not to overshare. Anyone that knows me in school, you only know the things I want you to know about me. Things that I don't want you to know about me, you cannot force me. Please try as much as possible to not overshare. When you don't overshare, you're in control of your friendship, you're in control of the relationship, and you can easily work out days where it's not going smoothly or days where it's not going the way you expect it to go. So please try not to overshare and give this friendship thing a try, because if you meet a good friend, I think I did not emphasize on that point, if you meet a good friend, and I really hope that you're also going to be a good friend to someone, like let it be mutual, be a good friend to someone with an expectation that you find someone who's going to be a good friend to you. If you find that good friend, he or she would add extra spice to your college journey. He or she will add extra spice to your college memory, that I can promise. Yeah. 4, study. Someone is paying, you have to give them the worth of their money. I feel like it's going to be a bad thing for you to be done with school and someone asks you something very tiny relating to the course that you studied and you cannot answer. Like, really? No. Don't party all you want. Party, enjoy college. But at the same time, do not forget that your primary assignment, what am I saying? Your primary assignment is to study. I know anytime I study or when I study and I do so well in exam or test, like my head is ringing. Working, girl, you've got this. Like, it's just like, Mercy, working, you know what you're doing. Mercy, you're so smart. So for those of you that are looking for a confidence booster, you just found yourself one, you got one. study. Okay, you should study. So you need God. If you are a Christian, you need God. If not, you need whatever it is that you believe in. Honestly, you need God for discernment, for direction, for days where the going gets tough. You need someone to talk to. Days where like a lecturer or a course is frustrating, you just need to talk to God. And honestly, when you talk to God, you experience this ease that no one can explain. So please, in all that you do, when you're studying and you're partying, make time to go to church. I'm not going to just going to leave this year. Make time to go to church. And my last tip, have an alone time. Create a personal time. A time where you can rest, a time where you can sleep. Like you get in the middle of the hustle and bustle of college life. You see what I did there? I'm not saying it's like college life. Please make time to sleep. Make time to relax. Days for your skincare or time for your hair. Time where you can reconnect with family. Time where you can read books that does not have to deal with your course. You can watch movies. You can study the Bible. You can reaffirm and just be you. Just do things that make you happy. Check your to-do list and girl, reaffirm again. Okay, these tips has helped me and it's still helping me survive uni. I honestly hope that they help you survive college as well. I don't want you to ever feel like you're going to do this college thing alone. You've got Mercy Diary, you've got me. So after watching this video, if you have questions, you can leave them on the comments. I'll be more than happy. I look forward to seeing your comments and I look forward to responding or to replying. Please, if you've stayed up till now, why don't you just subscribe? Click on that subscribe button. Watch, share to every student, people that you know will be needing this information and will be needing this tip to survive. I'm going to see you in my next video. I feel so sad that I'm leaving you right now. Let's stay a bit longer. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. I love you.